If you want to unblock a phone number or a contact on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all, we're gonna go to the phone app. If you go to contacts, if you still have a contact that you have blocked before, then you can go to the contact, and if you scroll down, you should be able to find unblock numbers option and then confirm your choice. If you had a call with the blocked phone number before, obviously before you blocked it, but if you can still find it in recents, then you can press and hold your finger on the call in order to find an option to unblock the phone number. In my case, this option is missing because I'm showing this example on voicemail, so it doesn't work for me. But essentially, if you press and hold, then you will find the option over here. And the third option to unblock a phone number is to go to the top right corner and tap on these three dots, go to settings, then go to block numbers, and over here we will find the list of all numbers that we have blocked, so you can press on this X on the right side in order to unblock a phone number. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!